let's pluck through our open strings chart. All right, all the way up. Let's do 1, 2, 3, shoulder, chest, chin. All right, we're going to bring that right thumb to the side of our fingerboard. The first one is D, D, A, A. Ready, go. D, A, A. Again, ready, go. D, D, A. All right, second line. A, D, D. Ready, go. One more time. Ready, go. Next, D, A, D, A. Ready, go. Again, ready, go. Reverse, A, D, A, D. Ready, go. Again, ready, go. Next is G, G, D, D. Ready, go. Again, go. Now D, D, G, G. Ready, go. Again, go. G, D, G, D. Ready, go. Again, go. Next, D, G, D, G. Ready, go. Again, go. Good, moving on. A, E, E. Ready, go. Again, go. Reverse, E, A. Ready, go. Again, go. Good. A, E. Ready, go. Again, go. Reverse, E, A. Ready, go. Again, go. Good. Moving on. G, D, A, E. Ready, go. Again, go. Good. Now reverse. E, A, D, G. Ready, go. Again, go. Good. Now we have G, D, A. Ready, go. Again, go. Good. Then we have D, A, G, E. Do that again. D, A, G, E. Ready, go. Good. Again, ready, go.
Bye.
Then we have A, E, G. Touch those again. A, E, G. Ready, go. Again, go. And then the last one we have D, E, G, A. Touch again. D, E, G, A. Ready, go. Again, go. Keep practicing these over and over again and make up your own.